if there is any truth in this world, then it has to exist. Not just in the holy buildings and books, but in the small and simple things. Did you know that you can learn a lot of things by just observing nature? The running water, the trees, the leaves. Instead, as you can from the oldest and most ancient scriptures that we have, nature. Look at the nature. It's constantly changing, evolving and adapting. Isn't life like that? Look at the cycle of season. Everything goes through constant growth, the constant decay, ups and downs, peaks and valleys. Look at water. Even though it's fluid and you can't grab and hold of it, it can wear down and erode the roughest, most judged roads. Yet it remains flexible, malleable and adaptable. What if you tried to be like that in your life, in your relationships, adapting like water the needs of others? So the focus is on the outside. The pursuit of inequality is what truly matters. Because if you search long and earnestly enough, and you will find what you seek. Example, just like the roots of a tree burrowing into darkness of the soil to find just gold, nutrition and water. It doesn't have a map, it doesn't have a guide, but it finds its way, trusting itself to create light within to find the way, trusting in its thirst for growth. So, just like the bee gathering pollen from different flowers, absorbs what is useful, discards what is not, then adds what is equally your own. This is your life. There's always a lesson everywhere. You just need to observe. So you can get the lesson.